Nemesis. Hidden, it slept. Disturbed, it awoke. And once awoken, it fed. Hidden for a millennium, discovered by man, and pinned down with steel. Ride and survive.
10, 9, 8.
Everything clear, stand by. Up the top of the lift here, it's out of our hands and in the hands of Sir Isaac Newton, because it's gravity all the way. No brakes, no motors, nothing can control it. We're just flying in space, my feet are hanging free, and already it's the most weird sensation. You're normally used to, on a roller coaster, having the car all around you, but now you feel extremely vulnerable, although I'm safely held in. Well, this is it, we're at the top, and here we go. We're picking up speed, and once we get up to speed, we're going to go into the first barrel roll, upside down, feet through the air. Wow. Now we're getting faster and faster through a helix, and into a zero-G roll. Oh, wow. 3 seconds of weightlessness, a stall turn, you just stall, and now down, and through a vertical loop, upside down into a tunnel. Wow! You really think your feet are going to crack against the rock. Now into another barrel roll, down and into another tunnel. Wow, and into the station.